Welcome to Winning at Life Online, the place of product reviews, life hacks and money advice. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Louis Vuitton 6 key holder in Damier. Now this is for females and males. It's a unisex product and the name obviously is the Louis Vuitton 6 key holder in Damier. This is the receipt which you always get when you're ordering Louis Vuitton. I've already took the ribbon off, but this is the ribbon, and if you wanted to put someone's name as a gift on it, I bought it for myself. The ribbons have gone back to blue. They were the gold glittery ones, if you've seen my Christmas posts that I did only a month ago. And this is the box it came in. The dust pouch, Louis Vuitton. And there it is, the Louis Vuitton 6 key holder in Damier. It looks absolutely fantastic. It really looks good. And what does this product do? So if you're fed up with, your keys ruining your pockets, as they do sometimes, they can put holes in your pockets, or if you've got an expensive coat or trousers, it could ruin your bag if you take them in a briefcase, or if you're a female and take them in your handbag, they can scratch the inside of there as well. Well, obviously by its name, the Louis Vuitton 6 key holder in Damier, you can tell that it holds keys, and it has 6 little loops there, brass metal hardware that will hold your keys on there. And like anything, if from experience, if you carry keys in your pocket, or a nice coat or a briefcase, or if you're a female, a handbag, and the keys will 9 times out of 10 ruin the pockets or scratch the bag. That's guaranteed. And this is a great alternative to carry your keys, and for the price, because often fashionable things have a high price and they're not very functional. This usability, durability and functionality is fantastic. Now the functionality is because it works and it does hold your keys. I tested it out before I did this video. The durability, I read up about this online and asked friends that had it for a couple of years, the similar thing, but they had it in LV monogram and theirs still looked brand new. So it was like a win-win. It'd hold the keys, not ruin my pockets or scratch my bag. Looks great and lasts. And I recommend the 6 key over the 4, because the 6 key is more spacious, it's got more room. It's the 4, I looked in the store at the 4 and it just looked more cramped, and it was tiny. It looked like you'd hardly get anything in it. If you had a big fob key like a Mercedes or a BMW, forget it, that 4 was not closing. So the 6, in my opinion, is the best. I didn't buy this in the store, I bought this offline, but they had one in there, the darker check. I wasn't really a fan of that one, but I used it to test out functionality and the size and what it looked like in person before I bought it online. And I can tell you the 6 is a lot better than the 4. So that's my advice there. And these are very, very popular. The LV monogram and the Damier check always sells out. So like I said in my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch post, make sure you always check around 0600 to 0630. I'm up at that time anyway for work, because that's when they always list the sold out products when they come back on around that time, in the United Kingdom anyway. And if you wait any later, past 0800, 0900, they're sold out again. So don't waste your time going on a waiting list. I did it once, never again, because you always miss out, in my opinion. It's just better to keep checking, and you're likely to get it quicker. So how much is this product? This product costs £160 in the United Kingdom, and like I said, it's, in my opinion, if you want something fashionable and to hold your keys. This is money well spent, and it's really worth it. Now if you don't want the check pattern and you want the LV monogram, get it. If you're a male looking for one, buy it from the female section. Now this is because there is no difference in the LV monogram in the female section to the male. All they've done is add a little bit of leather piping along here and down the side in black leather, and they've marked it up by an extra £35. Now this is 160 in the female and male section because it's unisex, it's for both sexes. But the LV monogram is exactly this. It used to be exactly the same, apart from they've added that bit of leather that goes along here and around the edges, and they've added £35 extra for that. So if you're a male looking for the monogram, buy it from the female section. That's my top tip. And like I said, like anything with the manufacturer of this, Louis Vuitton, highest quality of standards and craftsmanship in their in-house workshops. Hence why the durability and the longevity of this product is fantastic. Like I said, my friends have it, and they've had Damier check and the LV, and it still looks brand new. And they've had it for a few years. And like I said, when buying this, I know people like to buy off Facebook groups or, you know, specialist second-hand dealers, but the fakes are so good at fooling people these days. You don't want to take the risk of buying a fake, so just buy online, the official store, or go to the shop. That's my best advice, because I've seen people caught out before, and it's not good when you give your hard-earned cash for something that's not legit. So, what features does this have? Obviously it says Louis Vuitton along here, like it does on all the Damier check. You can't see because of the light, it's shining off the brass there, but it says Louis Vuitton around the edge as well there. And this is one solid piece of canvas that they've made it out of the whole way through. It says Louis Vuitton there as well on the brass, and it says Louis Vuitton along the brass hardware there. And like I said, you've got 6 key holders. Says Louis Vuitton made in Paris. You can't see it very well, not even with the naked eye, because the light brown and the dark red is not very good colours to mix actually, because they're very similar. And I've got it hot stamped, which you can see there. And another feature this product has, I've left the Louis Vuitton card in there, but a lot of people put behind that space there, they put a credit card or a photo ID card. So you'll have your keys there, and they'll either slide, you know, a key pass card or something in the back there, which is fantastic. You can only fit 2 in there at a push. I've tried it, and before I made this review video, I could only get 2 in there. Maybe you can get more, but that's all I could manage. And like I said, this comes in 2 sizes. So this comes in a 4 key and a 6 key. Like I've touched on, the 4 key, forget it, because like I said, if you've got a big fob, a big house fob or a car key fob, and you've got 4, you can't get 4 keys in there. But the 6 key holder is more spacious, and you can definitely get more in there for your money. This bar along here as well comes off. If you depress the side there, this slides off, and you can take these key clips or clasps off, and so you don't have to have all 6. So if you use 2 keys or 3 keys, take 3 off and leave 3 on there. And to do that, you just depress that down, this little clip here, and pull the bar off, and that lets you do that. Now this comes in many colours. Obviously you can get it in the Damier check, the brown, or the darker ones like the cobalt ones. You can get it in the LV classic monogram. Quite varied, quite a lot of choice with this actually. And obviously I've gone for the Damier. This is calf leather as well. I forgot to mention, it's very supple, and easy to maintain. What features does this product lack? Now, what I'd like to see is maybe a designated pocket down the side here, because you have to, you know, put your cards behind there, or, you know, like a photo ID or something. Maybe if you had, like, you know, the clear see-through pocket, designated pocket on the side, that's what I'd like to see. So you can have your keys here, maybe a clear pocket here that you could put pictures in, or, you know, a photo ID. I mean, this is being very pedantic and picky, because this is a great product, and I always look to see though what could be added to something. And for me, a little pocket down here where you could put some photos in, or a clear photo ID, like I've said, I think would be a good addition. I think it would be fantastic. And, you know, I know it's been very picky because this is a great product, but that's one addition that I'd like to see. I mean, I don't know what you guys think. Let me know what you'd like to see, if anything. And I'm going to do an update video on this, because I'm going to keep an eye on this hardware here as well, because I've noticed in other reviews that this fades a little bit. That's the only niggle that people have said with this product, because otherwise overall the standards and the quality stand up to everyday wear and tear, which is fantastic. And that leads me on to what other similar products are on the market. I mean, if you don't want a Louis Vuitton key holder, or you don't want it in Damier or monogram, Gucci do similar products. I reviewed recently my Gucci key / coin holder. It is a key holder pouch, but I use it to carry loose change in, and that's why I bought this, because I just thought this looked better, you know, more functionality, a bit more stylish, fashionable. Louis Vuitton's a bit more higher end. I mean, Gucci's still quality as well, but this is what I wanted for my keys. And the Gucci key pouch / coin holder I use for loose change. You can check that video out as well. That's a really good video. And the prediction of success, I mean, these are already tested. I mean, they're always sold out. They're always hard to come by, whether it's in the Damier check or the LV monogram. And that just speaks volumes, that obviously if it's always sold out, you know, people are buying them because their usability and very fashionable is fantastic. And I don't know, what do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer the Damier or the monogram, or do you prefer the Gucci or the Burberry do another similar product? They're getting into the key market as well. And let me know, you know, what you guys think and which you prefer. Thanks for watching this quick review. I will do a update review in a month or so of how I'm getting on with it, and if there is any wear and tear, and I'll let you guys know. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and support my channel. I'll have other updates coming along shortly. Thank you very much.